Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our 6 p.m. update, and things are looking good. And we're going to be talking about why you should be investing in the Dogecoin in 2022. And millionaires are going to be made, guys. And we're seeing that the markets right now are looking pretty peachy keen. We're seeing things go uppity up. We're seeing Bitcoin at time of recording is over $44,000 in the house. We're seeing that Ethereum in the house is also over $3,000. So I predict I told you this is going to happen, and we see that Bitcoin has a huge inverse head and shoulder pattern. Looks like we're breaking out to the upside. We can also see that Dogecoin, the cup of handle pattern, we're getting confirmation of a breakout to the upside, guys. So we're above 15 cents now for Dogecoin, and I believe that Dogecoin in 2022 is going to be huge, guys. I think that a lot of you are really discounting crypto and think that things are going to go down. And just a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is OG express opinion. This is only for educational purposes. In the house, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So we got the green Dino in the house, and that only means one thing, that things are going to go up. And we got the alien in the house just to say hello, guys. And we're going to talk about Starlink. We're going to talk about the pre-markets. We're going to talk about huge on-chain data for Bitcoin that tells us that Bitcoin will be going up, that the altcoin season is getting closer and closer, and we're going to see the Dogecoin breakout. We're going to see 20 cents coming in. I really believe that this is still the great opportunity, the best time to get into Doge. And remember, Dogecoin is not about the tokenomics. It's not about the price. It's about the community of love, guys. And Dogecoin is about building community, and it's also about building utility, because if the community is positive and the community is far-reaching and loving, then a lot more retailers are going to want to accept Doge as a form of payment. If the community is vitriolic and infighting and all of this kind of stuff, it's not going to help the Doge community. So if you're part of the Doge community, try to keep it positive, try to keep it fantastic, try to keep it great, guys, and let's keep on keeping on. Let's keep this momentum going. We see that Starlink is deploying more and more satellites, and we're seeing that we're going to jump into that article, that more and more Starlink users are connected in Africa, guys. So it seems that the unbanked and the developing world are getting more and more into Starlink, and that is more bullish because Dogecoin, Elon Musk, they plan to make Dogecoin the currency of the world, guys, the transactional currency of the world, because it's so cheap, it's so fast, and it's fantastic, guys. So I just think Dogecoin is a huge opportunities that a lot of people don't realize, that there is a lot of people in third world and developing companies that don't have access to banks, guys, and they don't have access to financial freedom. They can't send transactions, they can't receive payments. And what Starlink and Dogecoin does is it allows the bankless to become bankable. And we all know that Dogecoin, the fees are super cheap and the speed is super fast. So it makes it the people's currency, and it also makes it the unbankable people's currency in developing nations, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. So you got to love it. From that perspective, from that pure perspective only, we're seeing that Dogecoin, the community, and the Dogecoin, the currency, is helping the developing world become mainstream and getting to starting to get into the financial system, and this will enhance their financial freedom and advance their way of life, their ability to enjoy the life that you and I take for granted. I mean, I'm sure that most of my people watching this channel, you guys have credit cards, or at least debit cards, you have bank accounts, so it makes it very convenient for you to do transactions, buy things, buy airline tickets, buy a hotel. But remember, there's a lot of people out there that don't have bank accounts. They just don't. So, what Dogecoin can do, and what with Starlink and help with Elon Musk, it can set these people free, guys. So this is absolutely a great time, and we're seeing that Dogecoin adoption and the utility of Dogecoin is going up. Sure, people may say that, Shiba Inu is better. Yes, in some perspective, yes, Shiba Inu is better in terms of what it can do. But overall, the love of the community of Doge is strong, and the Doge army is here. So hold on, guys, and we're going to get there together. So let's take a look at the pre-markets in the house right now, so we can see that the pre-markets are looking pretty good. We still have some geopolitical issues going on. We got this whole thing in Canada, right? Like, what's going on over there? Like stop the mandate already. So we got that thing going on. We also got the Ukraine thing that is happening right now. So nobody knows geopolitically what's happening. We're seeing that even though the geopolitical situation is not looking so good right now, we're still seeing that Bitcoin is still making a breakout to the upside right now. So what we're saying here, and the outlook for Bitcoin as a geopolitical tensions heated up, and interest rates. So we saw that the Fed today, they had this meeting, and it looks like the Bitcoin area could be tested this week as investors monitor tense developments. As you guys know, with the geopolitical situation, we also had that the possibly Federal Reserve hiking the rates about 50 basis points or 0.5% in March. I'm not worried about. I am absolutely not worried about that. I think the rate hike is already baked into the whole proposition, so I don't think that's going to have much of an impact when the rate hike goes up, guys. So overall, we're seeing that with all this uncertainty, this geopolitical situation going on, I still believe that Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation, and Bitcoin is where you guys want to be. This is not financial advice, and I believe that Bitcoin is a safe haven, guys. And even though we may have some downside, overall we're going to be having some huge upside for Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. And we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is above 44,000. We're up 4.4%. We're seeing Ethereum is up an amazing 7.89%. We're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is still very high. We're seeing that Solana is up over 10%, DOT is up 7%. So things are definitely coming back. We're going to jump absolutely into the details of all the coins right now. So this heat map is just a general overview of what's going on, and it looks pretty green. We got the Alien and the Dino, and the Debbie Downer Red Bear is kind of out of there. Bye. So we don't need to see him. We don't need to see him. We don't want to see him. So if you guys don't want to see the Debbie Downer Bear, smash the likes, subscribe in the house, and show some love for the Dino, guys. Show some love for the Dino. Love. So let's make it happen, guys. So hopefully this will be the whole reversal that is happening. We're seeing the fear and greed is at 46, so that is no problem. We're still not exactly at neutral, but we're not going down. We're not going up. We're just kind of staying steady. So that is very good. So the only big announcements that are coming out today is we got the producer price index and we got the Empire State Manufacturing Index as well that is coming out. So we've got some more interesting announcements that are coming out on Wednesday. We got retail sales, we got import price and stuff. But the big one is initial jobless claims that is coming out on Thursday. So keep an eye on that one. That could be huge in the house. That could have some impact. So let's jump into the Bitcoin price. Then we're going to talk about the Dogecoin price. Then we're going to jump into some news, and then we're going to let you guys get out of here. So let's take a look at Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin on the weekly is looking very fantastic, and right now we're trading at $44,149 in the house. So that is looking fantastic, and we just need to bridge past this $45,000 resistance level. So from that perspective, we're looking very good, very strong, very healthy. We're above our green support line, and I really believe that we're still going to see $100,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin coming in the summertime, and that gives me more evidence and more certainty that this is a great time to be getting into Doge. Dogecoin could absolutely make millionaires happen, definitely. And by 2025, we could see Dogecoin hitting all-time highs. We could see $1 to $2 or $3 coming in for Doge. Who knows, guys? Maybe even this year we could hit that mystical $1. I mean, we got very close to it, but we never got that far, that high. So I believe that we could do it. Absolutely, we could do it. If not now, in 2022, definitely 2025. You guys can take that to the bank. So I know a lot of people at Debbie Downer saying, "Oh, you said $1 in 2021. What happened? What happened?" Yeah. So guys and gals, remember, crypto is volatile. Things go up, things go down, and remember, Dogecoin is the original meme coin. And once Dogecoin started going nuts, we started to have all of this. Baby Doge, Shiba Inu, and all these other meme coins have actually aped into the space. So from that perspective, some of the market share or some of the dollar, cash value, the liquidity that Dogecoin was holding in terms of the market, in terms of meme coins, a lot of it got redistributed and shuffled around. We had Saitama, we have Floki, and all of that. So if you look at Saitama and Floki, I mean, how good are those coins doing from all-time highs, guys? So take that to the bank. So Bitcoin's looking pretty good overall. If you look at Bitcoin right now, we can still see that my inverse head and shoulder is playing out exactly as I predicted. We're breaking out exactly as I predicted, and we had this whole breakout from the $42,000 level, and if this pattern does play out, we could see a $55,000 Bitcoin coming in. Booyah, baby. If you like that, smash the likes, subscribe, YB. Remember, thumbs up, guys. A lot of you are suffering from smash the likes avoidance syndrome, and try to give a positive comment. I mean, I know that some people, when they start losing money, they start getting all Debbie Downer and vitriolic, and oh, the OG knows nothing. Well, it's okay. I don't know nothing. But at the end of the day, the numbers never lie. The numbers always tell the truth, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin on the daily as well. We still see that Bitcoin is looking very good. We got this huge $45,000 resistance level. We need to break past that, and once we can do that, that is going to be indicative of clear selling, and then the next target will be about $55,000 based on this inverse head and shoulder pattern that is still in play, guys. It's absolutely still in play. This is very bullish, guys. So let's jump into the Biddy right now. Let's jump into the Dogecoin, the Doge right now. So we're seeing right now the Dogecoin is looking very good right now. It's above 15 cents, so that is good. This needs to become green support. Let's make this more like a yellow line, and that is looking pretty good in the house, and we are at 1503. So I'm pretty bullish. I still believe the cup and handle pattern is still not invalidated. We still have an upside to go, and we're seeing that the Ichimoku pattern, we need to get above the Ichimoku lines, and that takes us into this area. So I still believe that this is still being pretty much validated in the house, and that's why I'm very bullish for the Bitcoin. We're exactly at 1503, so we're exactly at the 15 cent support level. So hopefully we can get some more momentum and take us higher and higher for the Dogecoin. But we have so much catalyst going out there. We got Starlink, a ton of stuff, absolutely a ton of stuff happening. So let's take a look at some of this stuff that's happening. We see that right now the total hash rate for Dogecoin right now is 583.93 terahashes. So the hash rate for Dogecoin keeps going up and up and up. So it just goes to show that the network is healthy. I'm healthy. You're healthy, guys. So keep holding on to the Doge. Don't give up on the Doge. Dollar cost average. Whenever you see these dips, guys, we're gonna get there together. I am holding my Doge to 2025. I think that my Dogecoin is going to be worth millions and millions and millions. Like I said, don't discount the Doge. We could even see 50, 60 cents, a dollar even could be incoming in 2022. And that is really going to depend on the correlation between Dogecoin and Bitcoin in the house, guys. So let's just refresh. Let's take a look at the into the block data for Doge right now and see how it's faring. So right now we're seeing that Doge is above 50 cents. Booyah! I told you we were going to do it, and we are up 2.62%. So that is looking pretty fantastic in the house. We got 52% in the money, 4% neutral, and 44% out. So you can still see that the correlation between Bitcoin and Dogecoin is still pretty strong. It's not 1-to-1, but it's 0.77. So what that tells me and what that tells you is when Bitcoin makes a move, Dogecoin is going to make a move. So if you factor in, if you do the X factor, and if you take a look at the price of Dogecoin right now at 15 cents, and Biddy's around about 44,000, when Bitcoin 4X's, if Bitcoin 4X's from here, that means we could be seeing 60 cents to 70 cents incoming for Dogecoin if Bitcoin hits 200,000, and that's if the ratio stays the same. Now remember, often when Bitcoin goes up, we often see that the ratio is not exact, and we can actually see the Dogecoin even going higher and higher, guys. So that's why I still think that billionaires and millionaires can be made in the coming up future for the Dogecoins, guys. So don't give up. Top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter right now. We got BTC, Ethereum, Cardano, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Wax, Solana, Digibuy. I don't know. Every time I hear the name Digibuy, I get scared, guys. Alien, protect me from the Digibuy coin. So I got my crew. I got the crew, guys. I got the crew here in the house protecting the OG from what's going on, guys. So this is cool beans in the house, guys. So let's get it. And let's take a look at that. Let's keep on keeping on. Also, what's going on right now, you can see that with Bitcoin regaining 44,000, and this was a huge gain for Bitcoin and Ethereum back over 3,000. Altcoins are the major breakout stars over the past 8 hours, with the market still looking underbought. So what that means, the market's still looking underbought, not oversold, and we could still see that the altcoins still could pick up and still blast off, guys. And I believe that we still haven't had the huge altcoin season that we all were waiting for in 2021. I still think we have time, as things are still going to go uppity up, guys. So the average trader return across multiple time frames still has many assets in the green. So this is absolutely still a huge opportunity zone. Don't discount the Doge, don't discount the Biddy, and don't discount Ethereum. Things are going to be going uppity up, guys. So don't panic in the house. Things are looking more and more positive. And this is from Matthew Hayward in the house. My boy Matthew Hayward. Price and RSI is looking very similar to last year's recovery. So as you guys know, we had this whole Ben and Tweed crash back in April. We're seeing that the RSI and this pretty much a similar pattern, and we're going to see a huge rise to the upside. So this could be huge, huge in the house. And I think we're going to see overall a pretty much recovery as we get into March and we get closer to the springtime. We're going to see that spring is going to be the rise of crypto, guys, and we're going to see prices hit all-time highs. Absolutely, I believe it. So that's why I'm not selling, guys. I'm not selling. A lot of my friends who have been in the business a long time say, "Oh, Daryl, you should have sold, in January, and taken all your crypto sold and keep the cash on the sidelines because, in 2022, it's going to be a big dumpity dump. That ain't happening. I don't believe it. I believe that this bull run, the cycles are getting longer and longer after each halving, and also too we're seeing more and more institutions aping in like never before. So I really think it invalidates the traditional think with regards to halving and the cycles. I think these cycles are getting much longer and longer, guys. So this is from Caleb in the house, and what he's saying is that daily candles since October, the red and white indicators use linear regression, guys, and allows us to measure the slope of regression on different time frames, slow versus fast, and we're seeing that crossover bullish, bearish, depending on direction. And so right now we're seeing that a bullish crossover is happening right in front of our eyes. So we have a bullish crossover, and this could mean only one thing, that, like I said, in the springtime, in the summertime, we're going to see all-time highs coming in for the Doge, for the Bitcoin, and things are not over, guys. Things are absolutely not over. Sure, there's going to be some volatility on the way getting there, but we're seeing that, we had this whole crossover Debbie Downer event, and then, like Matthew Hayward said, we're seeing that the summer last year is looking very much like where we are now, and that's why I think in the springtime, in the summertime, we're going to see all-time highs coming in soon. So I believe it. You should believe it. Remember, this is not financial advice. Guys and gals, if you're watching, please go down there, subscribe, EYB, get it, and don't forget to like this content, and also Super chats, guys. Remember, all the super chats, all the merch, all of the memberships go to support charity, guys. And you can go back and watch our previous Doge doing good every day videos, and that's when we give back to charity, guys. So you know it, I know it. So this is from Unchained College, and the Bitcoin balance on exchange just hit a new low for the first time since November 2018. While the fluctuation occur in the short term, it's been interesting to watch the level macro decrease since March 2020 crash. So right now we're seeing the total amount of Bitcoin that has been mined is over 91% now. So there's only about 9.5% left to be mined, and we're seeing that right now the total exchange balance of Bitcoin on the centralized exchanges is getting lower and lower. It's around about 11% right now, and this is going down down daily. So that means that Bitcoin is going to be a scarce commodity, guys. Scarce, just like diamonds, guys. And that only means one thing, that price-wise it's going to be going up. So this is from Kelly Kellum in the house. Bitcoin has crossed the bull bear signal line, light blue line, peaking just above the red signal on the volatility momentum line, showing that the start of a bullish momentum. So we also have another indicator that we can see that this line here is indicating that Bitcoin has just crossed that. This is light blue, and this shows that we're going to see some bullish momentum coming in very, very soon, and we should see things go uppity up, and this is a huge positive signal in the house, guys. So this is cool beans in the house. So right now, also from Blake in the house, he's saying that we see that the distinct pattern in downtrends and the CVD and Gaussian channel on the daily illustrate it's nicely. Macro world events and clearly X factor now both, but otherwise, in my opinion, BTC looks closer to the end of the downtrend and then the beginning. So more confirmation in the house that we're seeing that we've already hit bottom, and we should be seeing a huge reversal to the upside. So we're seeing all these indicators that I've just showed you that shows that Bitcoin is on the up. Bitcoin is up on the rise. And why do I keep talking about Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the king daddy, and as I said, the correlation between Doge and Bitcoin is highly correlated. So if we see Bitcoin breakout, we're going to see Doge breakout to the upside. So this is huge news in the house, guys. So I'm loving it, you're loving it. Let's just take a quick gander at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still about 15 cents, so that is pretty cool in the house. The hash rate is still strong as ever for Bitcoin, showing a very healthy market, guys. So Elon Musk, Starlink now has over 250,000 user terminals in Africa, as I said, and this is huge, guys, because this allows, as I said in the intro, more and more bankless people to have access to the internet, have access to Dogecoin, have access to transactions, and these people, the people who never had access to the internet, can now start aping into crypto like never before, guys. So this is huge in the house, and we're just going to see that this whole Starlink is just going to continue to grow and grow and grow. So it looks like that, the commission has approved 11,943 satellites. Right now, Elon Musk is hoping to have 4,425 in orbit by 2024. And in the last month, Elon Musk has also launched more than 2,000 Starlink satellites. And also, some of these Starlink satellites are also running nodes, guys. So we have a number of these Starlinks. I believe there's about 21 Starlink that are actually running Dogecoin nodes, so that is huge beans in-house, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum in-house right now. So we're seeing Ethereum is breaking out to the upside. It's above $3,100, so that is looking good. Our next target is about 3,500. So I'm pretty bullish that we're definitely going to be getting there. So I love it, guys. I absolutely love it. And this breakout of the apex right here has been confirmed, and we're going uppity up. And so we're seeing a lot of the altcoins are doing very well. We're seeing Phantom now at $2.04, almost $2.05. And it's following my trend line exactly as printed. And my next stop is going to be about $2.39. So if we take a look at Solana in-house, Solana is also just about to break. It has just broken past my support line at $103. So I'm going to change that to white, because we haven't exactly become support yet, but it's looking pretty good that Solana is breaking the upside. So if we continue this momentum, we can see Solana definitely getting higher and higher. And I'm still looking at $126 in-house. That's where we want to be. That's where we need to be for Solana. And I think the Solana is going to do a reversal. I know a lot of people have sold off the Solana. I did sell off, when we were over like $200, I did sell some of my Solana, but I'm still holding a good chunk of that in-house. So let's just take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. We haven't taken a look at that in a long time. Let's see what's going on with that. Remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. It's just an OG expressing his opinion, and looking not too shabby in the house. So all the Debbie Downers, all the haters, all the doubters out there, all I got to say is that the portfolio is up 43%. So all I got to say to that is the numbers don't lie, guys. And we're at $2,200 in profit, though. And we made this portfolio online together in a live stream back in July. So we're still in profit, guys, and we're up 6%, 6.5% today. So that's not too shabby in the house. And our portfolio is at $7,200. Sure, we did see our portfolio go to $10,000 earlier when Bitcoin was at all-time highs, but I didn't sell because timing the bottoms and timing the tops is very difficult in the house, and I still think there's a lot more gas in the tank. And the best thing to do is just dollar cost average rather than selling and timing the tops, guys, because every time you try to outsmart the market will outsmart you and leave you holding the bag, guys. Absolutely leaving you holding the bag. So let's take a look at total market cap in the house. Let's get it. So we're seeing the total market cap right now is looking pretty good. It's 2.02 trillion. The volumes are picking up, so that is good. But the Bitcoin dominance is still too high. But we're still seeing that the coinage in the house is looking pretty green, and we're up about $44,000. That is cool. We're seeing that we got all the signals for Bitcoin are green. The 30-day, 7-day, 24 hours is looking very good. We're seeing Ethereum right now is still down on the 30-day, still down on the 7-day, but it's looking pretty good on the 24-hour, and that's above $3,100. So we're still seeing that BNB is up as well, $428. ADA is up as well, 6.21%. We're seeing Solana is on fire right now, is up 11%. We're still down for the month though. Luna is up at 8%. We're seeing Avalanche up 13%. Wow, Avalanche in the house. We're seeing DOT is up almost 8%. We're seeing the Doge up 4%. We're seeing Shibi Weeby is up 5%, almost 6% at 31 right now. So Matic is up as well. So things are looking pretty good. We're seeing a lot of green out there. So that is cool beans in the house. Look at Phantom. Phantom is also up and over 9% right now. Sand is up 8%. So it looks like we're having a bit of a turnaround. And don't get disappointed if we get some financial news coming out when we get the jobless report and we see a little bit of a tank. Don't worry about it. It's going to come back, guys. So things are looking pretty cool beans out there. Please go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. We've got 4,022 followers. I love it. You love it. And if you want to contact me, we can contact me. DM me. Also, guys, become a channel member, guys. There's lots of perks there. We got our own private WhatsApp group. So join. Become a member, guys. You're going to love it. I love it. And don't forget to go down there. Once again, smash the likes. Subscribe, YB. Comment. And remember, none of this is absolute financial advice. Check out the links below. No, none of this is financial advice. Full disclosure right there. And become a Patreon member. Buy the channel at Coffee, guys. And check out the merch, guys. Check out the merch. Also, check out the NFT collection if you would be so kind. If you're interested in anything anything, you can DM me and we can work out something. So you're going to love it. And don't forget to check the Wifey's channel. Go over there, subscribe. Wifey, show some love. This is actually some of the best relaxing music on the interwebs. If you're having trouble sleeping, go over here, put this on, and you'll zonk out just like that, guys. And don't forget to check out the merch. Get the mug, get the backpack, the pack. You're gonna love it, guys. And don't forget to check out the singlets and all the t-shirts, guys. You love it, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So with that being said, let's end it right here. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Share this video with your friends, your cousins, your uncles, your ex-girlfriend, whoever. Share this video, guys. Spreading love, spreading a good vibe of the interwebs, guys. Remember, Dogecoin, Doge Army. Let's keep it positive. Let's keep it strong, guys. And let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep on keeping on. I love it. You love it. God bless each and every one. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! This is Ice Ice Baby, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Vietnam. I'll see you again in about 2.5 hours at around 10 p.m. Bangkok time with a huge update. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be fantastic. You're gonna love it, guys. So let's get it right now. Woo!